Alright, well, continuing our search, maybe she's in the windmill. Let's go take a look in there.
I've been walking for so long without even sitting.
Alright, here's the entrance. Okay. That's... No Lee's here. Lee's? No. Alright, let's head up to this. Okay. Hey, oh. You can see out the window. That's kind of cool. Alright, going there. Oh, there's the Liberty Bell. Kind of cool. But, Big Thunder Mountain over there, but no leaves. Well, I guess we'll just have to keep looking. Alright, continuing. Where'd my wife go? Oh, don't worry, Injun Joe ain't been seen in these parts for a long time. This cave is just deserted. P.S. If you want to, maybe you could worry just a little bit. What? All right, I'll go look for her next scary cave. Here we go. Looking for her. Liz, are you in here? It's not another scary cave. Okay. Oh, that scared me. Oh, there's another light over there. Follow the lights. Okay. Where? Okay, let's see. Oh, jeez. Oh. Okay. That was interesting. Okay. What's in here? Hello? Anybody? Ooh, scary faces. I see scary faces. Ooh. I like my voice in here. It's free. Ooh. Where do you go? What do you do? Hello. And Liz. Where are you? Oh, okay. Where do you go now? Okay, that's a wall. Follow the lights. Hello. By all means. Have you seen my wife? No? Okay. People have not seen my wife. Where could my wife be? Let's hope I didn't hurt the lens hitting the wall. Alright, there's a bridge. Anybody down there? Scary noises. Hello. Follow the lights. Okay. That one. Okay. You can go that way, or you can go this way. Let's see. We go this way. Follow this. Okay. No. Okay. Oh, jeez. It's skinny in here. Okay. What was that? Oh, that's a weird three. Okay. Okay. Ooh. It's really tight in here. Okay. Okay. There's an exit. I see an exit. But no leads. That's the haunted mansion. There's no leads out here. What? Look! The Liberty Bell. Once again. We found the Liberty Bell, but no leads. We'll have to keep looking. Maybe we'll find the Tim Tracker.
Ahí está el puente.